Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys applying the averaging concept and using different indicators and tools and different studies all together to show you guys how you could recognize entry points and how could you apply the averaging concept effectively in the stock market. So let's get started with the video. As you can see, I just pulled up a random stock. Now let's apply indicators. Let me split it. In this indicator I wouldn't use the moving average. I would rather use the Ichimoku cloud. So now you can see this is an area of support level. So let's apply this support level, plot the support level right here, mark this, mold. So now you can see you'll have to recognize the previous areas of resistance levels or support levels. So from that resistance levels and support levels you'll have to recognize your entry points. Now if you bought a stock at this point, then you'll have to recognize in history. You'll just have to load your history and see where different resistance levels or support levels or anything similar to that appeared, so that I can apply those to my trading and use it effectively, use it to recognize my entry points and exit points. Now before going forward, I forgot to mention the 200-day moving average. Like, I do not use the 9-day moving average, I use the 200-day moving average. So I've applied it right here, and now let's see, like, you bought a stock right here, and then you'll have to recognize, let's say it is trading, you left it trading, and then suddenly it collapses. So at this point you'll have to recognize your support level, your resistance level, your support level, and that support level that you recognize, that would be your entry point. Now in this case, as you can see, several price rejections, 1 2 3 4, and this one the fifth. So 5 of these appeared at this point, and from this point you'll have to these are your entry points, and you'll and as you like on the next trading day, like as you can see on the next trade, as you've recognized these, you'll have to watch the market of how it performs, and then you'll have to make your entry point in this stock. So this is how you would recognize different entry points and exit points, and for exit points, keep that unlimited. You do not have to close it and do something. So keep it unlimited, and see how far the market would reach. Now for example, if you plot this as your resistance level just for the purpose of short selling, then do not plot this area for your take profits. Keep the take profits area unlimited, like as far as it reached, and from the highest point you will have to recognize, like, this is the last point and I need to sell it at this point. So now you can see this at this point, as it showed three candlesticks, three price rejections at the same point. So this is the resistance level, and if it crossed this area, like this resistance level, and move forward, so it would be going even further, and we won't have to stop it until then. But by then you should have to be in the market, not out of the market. Now you can see this was trading on 27th of March 2020, like as the COVID impacted the world. It was trading for 7 rupees, 7.55 rupees, and now take a look at it. It reached to its highest of 35.40. So you can see how much you won't have to place take profits, and have the take profit side unlimited, so that you know that it would reach its highest point, and you are going to make profit out of it by when the stock reaches to its highest point. So I have shown to you guys applying this, and the same case in the 200-day movie, like in the Achimoku cloud. Buy the stock when the stock is trading below this cloud, and sell when the when the stock is trading above the Ichimoku cloud, like, and also you'll have to apply the strategies as well of recognizing different entry and exit points, and from those entry and exit points you'll have to recognize your areas of you'll have to recognize your exit points for different profits, like I'm using these concepts. You can apply, you can use any concept you like, depending upon you on which indicators, tools and strategies you are comfortable using. I'm comfortable using these strategies, so I'm not afraid of using. I see these as accurate, and you may have different set of strategies, so apply that uh, if you can, and you can see I've pretty much used it at most of my in most of my holdings, like in the FES FABL, the Faisal Bank Limited. Now let's see FNEL, First National Equities Limited. All of these stocks are in the Pakistan stock market. So it's not like I'm showing to you guys in the air. All of these are in the Pakistan Stock Exchange. So try to find your, like, the method is the same. There is no new concept. All of the method is the same in different stocks. You just have to apply the this method you just have to invest in the stock market, and know how, when to apply a certain strategy and when not to apply a certain strategy. So try to, like, apply different strategy, use strategies, like I'm showing different strategies. So apply these in your concept and see what results you will get while trading these stocks. Like, I get the result now. I was planning on investing in this stock, but you can see it broke its resistance level of this point. I've recognized this area as my resistance level, and it broke this area. So we will have to see how far it reached below, so that I will catch this stock from the downside and then wait for the stock to go even further. So I'm just waiting for the stock to, like, I'm waiting for a great opportunity, like a great entry point, so that I can enter the stock at a great point, so I can make a good fortune out of this stock. So try to be patient about the stocks, and apply different indicators, different strategies, use different strategy, find out your own strategy of which strategy suits you the best, so that uh, you know that you're comfortable using this strategy at this point. So try to find out different strategy and stick to that strategy as long as possible, so that you know that this strategy would give you would profit from this strategy in the long run. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.